Welcome back to another series of my investment updates where I'll show you where I am investing, which updates are in specific projects, and also how much profit or even loss I'm doing, or which projects I am exiting and stop using. If this is something which interests you, then please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Before we start, please always notice that I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice or similar. Please always do your own research and make sure to only invest risk capital, so money which you could afford to lose, because the main projects I'm showing you here are high risk. So really just invest money which you could afford to lose and always realize your profits also. And if you are just interested in some specific project, then feel free to use the timestamps in the description and just jump to the projects which are of interest for you. So let's get started with RoboForex and CopyTrading. What are my RoboForex CopyTrading results are doing? Whom am I currently following and how much profit or drawdown is there? So one of the traders I am following is DLX Gains and the Forex Beginner. And this is a trader which I really like, or this strategy. They already made a total profit of more than 775%, and they opened their account already 277 days ago. So around New Year's Eve, they will have their anniversary. So let's see if they maybe reduce the commission rate or something. Would be cool for sure. So on average, they made around 19 to 20% profit each month, which is definitely solid. And if we are checking back the drawdown, since they changed their strategy end of June, they only had a maximum drawdown of less than 10%. So this is also really solid in my opinion. And they're mainly trading Euro USD. If you also want to start and follow this copy trader, you will find the link down below in the description, so you can also check the entire statistics yourself. And also, if you're new to RoboForex and copy trading, I have an entire playlist where you can check out how you can start with RoboForex, how you register, how you deposit, how you create an account, how you follow someone. It's all there. Check out the playlist. Other than that, you can start DLX Forex Beginners with around 200 USD minimum. And which helps me in gaining even more trust in DLX Gains is not only that they survived the turbulent month of September. So September was a month with highly manipulated charts. It went all up and down and was just really crazy and really highly manipulative. So a lot of traders just got liquidated in September, even a trader who was on RoboForex for already 3 years. And DLX made it really well with less than 10% drawdown, though, so their investment strategy is pretty secure and low risk, though copy trading of course always has risk involved, so do your own research. But they made in September a total of 7.72% profit, which is really great, though below average as said. So normally they do around 19 to 20% on average. But also now in the beginning of October, when I'm now recording this video, they had one day with more than 3% profit already. So they already made up a lot. And also one thing which I realized is before, DLX always had the minimum deposit $200 in their own trading account and always took out all the profits by end of the week. However, now I noticed that they are staking up their accounts. So now they are already up to $3,800 in the end of September when they started. And let's see how much else they are going to stake up. But this also shows that even DLX is trusting their strategy now and just putting their own profits back to their own trading account. However, if you think that the results of 19, 20, or maybe even just 8% a month are too low for you and you are mentally prepared for higher risk, I have another copy trader which I am following, and this is Saruya EA. He is making definitely more profit than DLX, however also with more risk involved, but still solid for sure. And let's have a look at the September results of Saruya EA. So in the 1st of September, they made 6.04%. And then the first complete week of September, they made 8.20%, followed by amazing 18% per week in the second week of September. 15.23% the week after, and then they closed September with another 16.10%. So this makes for the entire month of September a whooping 63.57% total. So totally crazy for sure. So let's have a quick look at the overall statistics from Saruya. You can see that Saruya's account is still pretty new, so not even 2 months, for 54 days. But in this less than 2 months, they already made 375%. And if you have seen my other videos, I think the last account Saruya did was like almost 2000% in total before it crashed. So totally crazy. And here with Saruya, you can even start with 100 USD as the minimum investment, which is definitely good if you just have some risk capital and want to try it out. However, don't forget to always realize your profits. Also with RoboForex, on each first and third Tuesday of each month, you can withdraw free of charge. And if you're not so much into copy trading, but you still want to increase your capital, so in future you will have more money to invest, I have some time ago introduced you to Ninjabet. And Ninjabet is a matched betting platform with which we can make a few thousand euros one time, and after this a few hundred euros every month on a regular basis. And all you need is at least 200 euros to invest, to start working, and a little bit of time. So Ninjabet is not a passive income opportunity, but something where you have to get in your time. However, I think that the hourly rate is pretty good when you compare how much time you need to invest and what you can do, and also how less risk is there involved. I will link this video for you down below in the description. Ninjabet is a platform who will help us with matched betting. And matched betting is actually the calculated bets when, for example, we have a football game, so we will bet on one exchange that team A is winning and on the other exchange that team A is losing. And due to some new client bonuses or recurrent client bonuses, we can make some profit out of it. However, these need to be somehow calculated. But Ninjabet is helping us to find the deals, to help us to get the correct matches to bet on, and this to make some money. With Ninjabet, it's really step by step with screenshots and all the explanations which will help you to make profit with Ninjabet and matched betting, and this with actually almost no risk involved. And now we can have a quick look how much profit they made in September 2023, and this was $319. So everyone who followed the Ninjabet guidelines made $319. And if you want to do Ninjabet and test it out, the first test is free of charge if you don't have any betting exchange account yet. However, you need to have a registered accommodation in one of those countries, otherwise you won't be able to do matched betting. And if you want to test out Ninjabet for free, you can just find the link down below in the description. And if you like it and you like the procedure and you want to proceed ahead, Ninjabet requires some monthly subscription, which you could buy either on a yearly basis or a month-to-month basis. It's totally up to you. And if you are fine with more risk and some crypto casino roller coaster, then I have a new project for you, which is Voggex. And Voggex is a new high-risk platform which just launched this week at the beginning of October, and they're offering crypto arbitrage and a trading ecosystem. They do have a founder, which is Marek Kubiak. He's a Polish guy, and Voggex also agreed that I could have an interview with the founder if I want to. So if you're interested in, let me know in the comments. But other than that, I will definitely also do another separate video on Voggex. So Voggex are going to offer various investment pools, arbitrage pool, futurist pool, and so on. But currently they only have the arbitrage pool. And at the arbitrage pool, you can start with the minimum amount of $100 or even up to $250,000. And there, depending on your investment, you will get 1 or 1.2 or even up to 1.5% per business day. So Monday to Friday. And what I like about Voggex is not only that they are a completely new project, so the risks now are the lowest, but also the investment plans, they are only running for around 30 business days or even 25 business days or 20 business days. So even the investment period is pretty good in my opinion. So I decided to give it a shot. So I have now an active deposit of $1,500. And let's see how long this platform lasts. I personally think and hope it will last a couple of months. However, let me know in the comments what you think, how long this platform is going to last. Last but not least, I have introduced you to the platform Bitonite a couple of months ago. And Bitonite also offers copy trading, and actually this is copy trading to multiply our Bitcoins. And in September they made it 2.23% only. However, when I started the project in June 7th with 0.0285 Bitcoin, which at this time has been almost $800, until I took out my profits in 14th of September, so around 3 months, I already had 0.03 Bitcoin over there. So this means a total of 21% in my 3 months when I have been with Bitonite. They now, on the 3rd of October, already closed another trade, which made a profit of around 17%. However, Bitonite is only trading with 10% of our invested capital. So in our dashboard, it would mean a profit of 1.7%. Also, they just launched the USDT Master. So before we only had the Bitcoin Master. Now they also have the USDT Master, where we can multiply our USDT. So this is just new, just 2 days ago. So it just has 6 followers. So I'll go and see how it goes. But for me, probably I'm going to wait with the USDT Master because actually Bitonite was about to launch the decentralized copy trading soon. And if you don't know, and the decentralized copy trading is about to start in cooperation with PalmSwap.org. And if you don't know PalmSwap.org yet, it's really just decentralized trading. So everyone who knows how to trade could do it decentralized here with PalmSwap. And if you don't know it, one of the Bitonite founders is also the founder of PalmSwap. So that's why they made this cooperation. And I'm just really curious that this is going to launch soon, hopefully, and is not going to delay at all. So this is when I will start with Bitonite again. I hope this video found you helpful. As always, you will find the links to any project or video mentioned down below in the description. And if you liked it, leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, and we see each other in one of my next videos.